Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you a new tool that I added on my website freemediatools.com. So here you can just add a scrolling credit text to a video file, and this will be animation which is going on. So this is a tool that you can see here. The live demo is shown here. I have given the link in the video description. You can just try this tool. So you need to upload any sort of video file here. All extensions are supported: MP4, MKV, MOV, AVI. So I will select the video file. You will see video.mkv. So here you need to select, just write the text that you want to select. So this will be sample text animation. So I have written this text here. So this will scroll inside live video. After that, you need to enter the starting time of animation. So this will default value is 1. So basically when you start the video, it will start this animation. So you can just customize this accordingly. Ending time will be whatever will be the ending time. So this is 10 here. So this animation will go for 10 seconds. So it will start from 1 second in the video to till 10 second. And here now you will select the color, whatever color that you want from this color picker. So I will just select this blue color, and then also you can just manipulate the font size. I will change this to 100 and simply click download video file. So first of all, it will now upload this video file and then it will process it using FFmpeg. So FFmpeg is an open source library for processing video and image files. So now it is just saying that file uploaded, now processing. So you just need to wait. So if you upload a larger file, then it will take some more time for processing it. So you just need to wait on this web page. After processing it, it will download it automatically as an attachment. So it is now processing this video here. So the video is 30 seconds long and it is 22 megabytes long. So you can upload up to 10 gigabyte of video on this website. So the restrictions are way above, so you can upload up to longer videos as well. So now you will see, now the processing is complete. Now it has successfully downloaded this video. If I play this video, you will see, you can see this text appearing here, sample text animation scrolling. So this is the way by which you can do this. You can change the color accordingly. You can change the speed as well. So if you just want to show it for 5 seconds, you can just manipulate the start and the end seconds. You can see sample text animation like this. You can see. So this is a simple tool, guys. I have given the link in the video description. So I am using a simple command of FFmpeg. As I already told you, FFmpeg is an open source library. So for this tutorial, you will need this library. So go to its official website and you need to download this. So it is available for both Linux, Windows and Mac operating system. So simply download this, and after that, if you download it, go to command prompt and write FFmpeg. If the command is successful, then we have successfully downloaded FFmpeg. So now we will build this application from scratch. If you want to get all the source code, I will be given the link in the video description at the end of this video. So you will find my blog post where I will give you full source code. So now I will build this application from scratch. So let me go to the projects directory here and cmd and make a new directory. I will scrolling text to video. I will cd into this scrolling text to video, and I will open this inside Visual Studio Code text editor. So basically, if you want only the command, if you don't want the whole application, this is the blog post where I have only shown you the command here, which command I have used here. So if you have Windows installed and if you just want to execute the command inside your own PC, this is the command that I'm using here. Simply copy this command The blog post link will be there inside video description. So here you just need to go to the folder where all your videos are present. Simply open this in command line. Simply paste this command, and here you need to just change the file name of your video here. So this is, you can see here, simply change, my file name is, you can see, video.mkv, and there I will change it. This will be the output video.mkv file will be created in the same directory. And some options you can just customize here. You will see this is a text value that you can customize. You can just write anything in the, for the scrolling text. And here you can change the color as well. Color is white here, so you can just change this color to red, or you can provide hexadecimal code value as well. You can change the font size value from 40 to 100. After that, execute this command. Now you will see this command will just create a file in the same directory. So it is just processing it. The so it is now just processing it. So just wait. 30 seconds are over here. You can now see the output file is ready. If you play it, you will see now once again it will, this red color, you can see now it is appearing here. This is the scrolling text here. So this is a simple command which is used here. Now if you want to repeat this, if you want to loop it, if you want to repeat it automatically, now you will execute the second command, which is very much easy. Simply copy this command once again. So basically this will loop this scrolling animation. So if you want to repeat it, you will execute this command. So again, change the file name to video.mkv. And once again, you can change the text to anything. And font color you can change here. Font size you can change. You can change to 100. And one thing you can do this, guys, if your this command is not performing well in terms of time, you can just add a preset here, which is preset, and then you can add ultra fast. So basically, according to your PC, if your PC is good in terms of CPU cores, this command will take lesser time. So just add this option dash preset ultra fast. Now if you execute this, hopefully it will take some less time. You can see it is executing it a way faster. So just wait, it is executing it. Now the command is complete. You will see here. So this is the whole application, guys. So now let me build this application. So first of all, we need to install some modules here. We will invoke the package.json file. So the file is created now. Let me see here. Sorry, here in this directory we need to invoke it, npm init-5. So you will see package.json is created. Now we need to install Express, Malter, and that's it. These are the two dependencies which is needed here in order to upload files on the server. After that, we need to create index.js, and now just create a simple Express server. So when we load the home page, we need to just send the user a file here, which will be there inside the same directory, which is index.html. Now we can start the server app.listen 5000, and in the callback we can say console log app is listening on port 5000. So we can create this file index.html here. So simply just create the boilerplate HTML. So for this we are using some Bootstrap. So if you watch my videos, I use Bootstrap a lot. So just go to w3schools.com and you need to grab the CDN, go to get started. We only need the CSS part. So after the title, paste it here. And we also need the jQuery as well. So go to get started, copy, and after the body, paste it. And now we will be having the container class of Bootstrap, heading center position, adding scrolling text to video. So after that, we will be having a simple form element. So form, inside this we will have input field here of file, and we will be giving a ID to it of file input, and it should be required. And we will only be accepting video files. So here we will just say video slash star. So basically now if you execute this application node index.js, so you will see app is started on port. So you will see where you can select video files here. Simply what you also need to attach Bootstrap class here, which is form control. So you will see if you refresh it, now you can see. After that we have some HTML code, guys. I will not write that code. I will just write this code, have this code in the blog post. So this is just HTML code, markup code. So this I repeat for every video, every tool that I make. So let me just copy this tool instead of writing it and wasting your time. So I will just copy this tool, copy and paste it. So copy and paste it. So now let me format this document. So you will see we have a form here. First for the file here, which is where we select the video file. Then we have a simple progress bar. Then we enter the scrolling text, whichever text you want to appear. Then we enter the starting and the ending time. Then we enter color of the text. We have the color picker here. This is the color picker. Then we enter the font size, and then we have a simple button to download the video file. So if I refresh it, you will see all this animation, all this interface, GUI interface is complete. So now we need to add the functionality. When we click the button, we need to actually carry out the conversion process. So for that, we need to have the custom JavaScript ready part here. So for this, I will once again copy paste the code here. So I have already deployed this on my website. So that is why I just want to do this. Sorry, this, I think this one. Adding scrolling text. Yes, this file. So this is the script tag here. Simply copy this and paste it. So this is a long code, and this is also very hard code as well, because here we need to, sorry, we don't need the script tag because it is included. So now you can see this is a very long code because we are also using the progress bar. We are showing the user the progress bar, how much progress is made. So that is why you will see a lot of code is there. So simply you need to go to the blog post and simply copy paste this code here. And here we need to make, first of all, we need to make two post requests here. First will be upload file, which will actually upload the file to the server. So after that, the second one will be add scrolling text, which will actually carry out the process for us. So first of all, we will make the post request for upload file to upload the actual file which are coming from the client side. So for that we will be using Malter. So require this dependency Malter. So if you work with Malter, this inside Malter we need to configure the storage and all that stuff. So I will just copy paste that static code. So let me paste it. So this is very simple code. You will understand what I'm doing here. So you will see this is the storage, and here for the storage we need to create the upload directory. So uploads directory, and this will be public/uploads, and here we can set here, sorry, app.use express.static, and here we can set this as static directory, and here we need to create this inside the root public, and inside this we will create uploads. So here we will store all the video files which are uploaded. So simply you do this like this. After having the uploads directory over, we dynamically put the file name to each file which is uploaded using the date.now function, and then we are filtering out which files need to be uploaded to the server. So we are checking that only the video files need to be uploaded, other than we will return this error, this extension is not supported. So after that we need to have again upload, and here we need to pass all these options, storage to storage, comma, file filter to video filter that we have. And now this upload option is complete. You can also put the max size as well, how much maximum width size of the video you want to upload. This also is available. So let me just show you how to do that. So you can create a variable like this, which is after this video filter max size. So this is equal to 10 GB, which is equivalent to 10 GB. In my website, you can upload up to 10 GB, but here for the sake of illustration, I will just say 900, sorry, 100 MB. Put a comma, and here you can just pass limits option, and inside this you can save file size to max size. That's it. And now you can upload this, use this middleware function upload, and here we can say request response error. So if any sort of error take place, you can say, we can console log that and return. If no error take place, then we can console log the path request.body dot request.file.path. So now if I upload any file here, if I upload this file video, enter some text here, click download, you will see the scrolling animation here which is going on. And if I check the console here, you will see upload is not a function. So let me just see. Oh, sorry, we need to attach. We are uploading a single file, so you need to pass this option also, dot single file. So this is very much necessary. After doing this, simply refresh it once again, pass the video file, click, you will see the animation. So here it is saying path is not defined. So just require the path module as well, which is a built-in module of Node.js. Simply refresh it. So now you will see in the console it is now printed out the path here, which is the file which is uploaded. You can also check here. The file is successfully uploaded inside this directory in the server. Now we simply need to carry out the conversion. So simply make the post request. So this will be simply app.post add scrolling text. So for this guys, we need to execute the FFmpeg command that we execute in the command line programmatically using Node.js. So for that we need to have we need to require a special dependency which is child process, which is a built-in dependency of Node.js. Inside this we will extract the execute method. That's it. And also we also need the file system module, so also require it. This is a built-in module. So now inside this we will first of all create the output file name, which will be simply date.now, and this will be equal to output dot, and then we will extract the path dot extension name request dot body dot path. So this path we are sending from client side to the server side. Here you will see, if I show you the request here, it's a second request which we are making here, add scrolling text. We are passing these options. Path we are passing here data.path, which we receive from server. Then we are passing the scrolling text which the user has written, and then we are passing the starting and the ending time. Then we are passing the size, font size, and the color as well. You will see color as well. So we are passing all these options inside this object data to the server. So simply we are fetching this by request.body. After that we need to execute, and inside this we will copy paste the command FFmpeg command here. So go to the video description link and simply copy this command, simply paste it, and now we need to simply just replace the options dynamic values. So here I will replace, instead of static path, I will replace a dynamic path which is coming, which is by template literal request.body.path. And then here we will replace a text here. Simply we will replace a text. We will say here request.body.text, and then we will replace this here, the starting time, in this location, request.body.start, and here we will replace the ending time, request.body.end, and then we have the font color option here. So here we will replace the font color, request.body.font, and then lastly we will replace here font size, request.body.size. That's it. So this is a command complete, and lastly we also need to replace the output file name, which will be dynamic every time. So output. So this is the command, and simply if the command is successful, these options are there. And if any sort of error take place, then we can console log the error. If no error take place, then we can send the path of the output file. We can say response.json path is equal to output. That's it. So this will be sending the path of the output file to the client side, and then we can download the file here, simply making get request. So here we need to download it as attachment. So here we need to make another get request after this post request to download file as attachment in browser. So here we will say app.get/download request response. So this code is also a little bit tricky, so I will just paste it here /download. So this code is every time remains the same because in every tool you need to lastly download a file as attachment. So I will just paste this code here. So simply we are taking the path and downloading it as attachment using the file system module. That's it. So I think the application is complete now. I can test this application by going to the endpoint here. Simply I will choose the file, write the text that we want to have. Then we can change the color and change the font size. Click download video file and hopefully it will work. Oh, sorry, here we are not returning the path, so that is why it is not working. So here we need to, instead of logging out, we need to also return the path of the uploaded file. That's it. So do this line here, and now the application will work. So that is why it was not working. Simply now refresh it. Now upload the file and enter the scrolling text. Change the color to any color of your choice and change the font size and click uploading file. So it is saying converting circular structure to JSON. So some error has taken place. So let me just see what is the error. So I am returning this. So oh sorry, this needs to be request.body.path. So the path is there inside request.body.path. So path variable is not there. So just change it to this here request.body.path. Now it will work. So now I refresh it, select your video, add the scrolling text and change the color to this one and change the font size. And now you will see file uploaded now processing. So it is now processing it. So it is saying cannot read properties of undefined reading path. Oh, sorry, this needs to be request.file.path. So I'm making a mistake here. So here request.body.path, but here it is accessible through request.file.path. So once again, you need to refresh it and select your video and just enter the scrolling text, choose the color, change the font size, and now you will see it will have this path here. So it is saying cannot read properties of undefined path. So index.js 73 3 line. Let me see. If I just console log it. Sorry, we also need to add this body parser middleware, guys. I forgot to do this. So anytime you're working with the forms in Express, you need this middleware in order to access the form fields. So just include this. This is a built-in module. You need not have to install it. And after that, declaring your app here in this location, you need to just write body parser.url encoded extended to false. So you have seen in every video I use this middleware body parser to JSON. So this is required in every application. When you are working with forms here, when you are sending data from client to server side, you need this middleware. So include this middleware. Now you can access all this through request.body.path. So if you refresh it now, select your video and select the scrolling text and select the color, change the font size and click. And now you will see instantly your video is downloaded as an attachment. And now if you look here, so command is not successful because it is some error has there. Let me just see what is the error. Oh, sorry, this we don't need this dot here because two dots were coming in the output file. This will already return the dot for us, so we don't need this dot here. So once again refresh it. Again just select it. And now once again it will download it as attachment. So font color is coming to be undefined. So font, oh sorry, this needs to be color, not font, because let me just show you. In the index.html, when we are passing this data, you will see this, we have called this as color, not font. So this is, you can see request.body.color. So now once again refresh it. Hopefully this time it will work here. Sometimes it can happen in programming whenever you are making a tool. So basically, let me check here. Once again, it has, so font color is there. I think there is some kind of error is there. I think just surround this as inside this dot symbol. Single quotes, just surround this as in single quotes. Let me just see if it is working or not. Just surround this as single quotes. And once again try it. Hopefully this time it will work. I think this is a second command which lets you loop this scrolling animation. Let me try the first command which I used in the tool. I use this command in the tool. So let me copy paste this command here. I have written this add scrolling text here. Let me move to the original code here. Let me search it, adding scrolling, add scrolling. So this is a post request. Let me just paste this code here. I will be giving the correct code in the video description of the blog post. Let me paste this code here just to save us some time here. Let me paste it. So this is let me just paste this. So this is a code here. Now let me execute it if it is working here in this computer or not. So this is a correct code. If I enter this, and now you will see it is taking some time. So I think it is correct. So now you can see all the values are being printed here. So it will take some time for having processing this 30-second video. So I think this is correct. So hopefully it will download it as attachment. Now you can see now it has downloaded it. And now you can see this is your scrolling text animation. So we were doing some kind of error, I don't know, but I will be just be giving this correct code in the video description of the blog post. So you can see that. So thanks very much for watching this video. Please like the video, subscribe the channel and comment on this video, and I will be seeing you in the next video.